If you're an industrial, manufacturing, or export business and you're investing in SEO, this video is for you. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Altaf. I'm the founder and CEO of Ace 360 Degrees. In this video, I'm not going to talk about traffic numbers or vanity metrics. I'm going to show how we help Cosmos Seals to rank on page 1 for high intent keywords for India and international markets like UAE within 4 months. And I will be very clear what can be achieved with SEO because honesty matters. Let's get into it. Cosmos Seals is an industrial brand. They are into mechanical seals, pump seals, engineered products. This is not an easy SEO category. You are competing with established manufacturers, global suppliers, distributors, and companies who have been online for years. When Cosmos Seal approached us, the requirement was very clear. We don't want random traffic. We want visibility on keywords that buyers actually search for. That clarity made all the difference. Like most industrial websites, the challenges were typical. No consistent page 1 visibility on money keywords. Blog-heavy SEO but weak commercial pages. International intent not clearly mapped. And SEO being treated like a content activity, not a business asset. This is where more industrial SEO fails. High intent keyword mapping. We did not start with blogs. We started with keywords like mechanical seal manufacturer in Mumbai, mechanical seal supplier in UAE, mechanical seals for pumps, compressors, and mixers. These are buyer keywords, not reading keywords. Content pages that sell, not educate. One important insight, content pages rank and blogs support. So we built manufacturer pages, supplier pages, location intent pages. Each page answered one question. If a buyer lands here, will they trust this brand? Technical SEO, clean foundation. From a technical SEO standpoint, no crawl issues, proper internal linking, clean site structure, and no unnecessary bloat. This is boring work, but this is where SEO actually wins. Authority building, backlinks. Over this period, we built 200 plus relevant backlinks. No spam, just industrial volume. By November 2025, we were seeing page 1 ranking for high intent keywords. Visibility across India, UAE, and more potential countries. GMB visibility improved to page 2 range. Organic inquiries started flowing. So let's understand how the outcome was. And since it's organic, leads were started flowing, not peaking. SEO did not flood Cosmos Seals with multiple leads. What SEO did was build credibility, build visibility, build predictable acquisition asset. SEO is not a campaign. SEO is leverage, and leverage compounds. This approach is for if you're an industrial, B2B, or export house. You care about long-term visibility and you want inbound credibility. It does not work if you just want high volume leads. If you're chasing the cheapest agency and you just want shortcuts. If you're evaluating SEO seriously and want to understand how industrial SEO actually works, this case study will give you a deep clarity. Stay tuned for more such videos. Until then, keep dreaming, designing, developing, and delivering. Thanks for watching.